Very interesting day in the cryptocurrency markets. Bitcoin surging well above 88,000. But what's going on? How big is this move? And why does everyone tell us that we're gonna go down? Well, I've got some key metrics you need to be aware of if you're investing in cryptocurrency, as well as some big news coming out of the Trump administration. So make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget, as always, do check out some of the links in the description. If you're looking for a DeFi project that rewards the holders, check out marbits.io down there, as well as all your favorite exchanges to go and trade all your cryptocurrencies. Now, with that being said, let's get into this epic video. So we got this news breaking not too long ago, actually. It was during my live stream that the Trump media platform is looking to partner with Crypto.com for ETP and ETF partnerships. This is actually a pretty big deal. For a while, we've sort of looked at Crypto.com and Kronos Chain and thinking, are they going to do anything? Are the history about this token going to push us further? Investment vehicles backed by back-end technology and custody solutions. It's one thing Crypto.com are absolutely great at, and this is set to launch in 2025. Now, this is another partnership in the series of initiatives that Trump and the family are really pushing through that World Liberty Finance platform. Now, they haven't really been shopping too much for any new cryptocurrencies, but I think this is very interesting in the sentiment that they're looking to partner supporting ETFs and ETPs. We actually saw a Solana ETF launch and equally a Fidelity Solana ETF filed for. Everyone expecting a potential XRP ETF from BlackRock coming, which would boost the market. But this is very interesting and I think really gives an opportunity to the Kronos coin. It was up about 14% earlier on. In an official statement here, it does say here that Trump Media and Technology Group Corp, a operator of a social media platform Truth Social, the streaming platform Truth Plus, and the fintech brand Truth.fi, has signed a non-binding agreement to partner with Crypto.com, America's premium crypto trading platform, to launch a series of exchange-traded funds and exchange-traded products through the Truth.fi brand. Now, if you remember, 2021, Crypto.com was one of those at the forefront, whether that was partnerships with sports teams, sponsorships, and more. Crypto.com really know how to get to the cutting edge of pushing their brand. And this is an exact example of that. Getting involved with basically the President of the United States token mechanic, I think, is a very important thing. And for me, sets up what I believe is going to come, which is the best of the market. Think about it. Why would Crypto.com all of a sudden, out of nowhere, look to partner in to launch some of these ETFs? They know what's coming, and so does the World Liberty Finance team. So I thought this was very, very interesting indeed. There's also further developments around tokenization. You may have heard me talk about this specifically relating to things like Ondo, but Apple and Tesla among stocks that are going to be tokenized via DigiFi's new on-chain index fund. And you're hearing loads of this news: derivatives funds, index funds, ETPs, ETFs, all linked directly back to Wall Street. So all those people that tell us the market is done just have simply, in my opinion, got this wrong. DigiFT, a Singapore-related cryptocurrency exchange, says it's launching its first index fund with tokenized shares and underlying stocks traded on-chain. The funds will use smart contracts and stablecoins, replacing traditional intermediaries like brokers and banks, putting all the opportunity, risk, and profits back to those people investing in these funds, two of which will be launched, one tracking top AI stocks and another tracking leading crypto assets. It'll be very interesting to see how both of those perform. So this, once again, is very bullish news. So we know that Wall Street's coming into the market. We know that now institutions are looking to get in. I guess the question therefore is, what is happening to the traditional market? You may hear people say things like, oh, traditional Bitcoin holders are dead. It's all about institutions, manipulations running rife. Let me show you a couple of things. Here is the Bitcoin inactive supply shift. Basically, the wallets that hold certain amounts of Bitcoin from anything from a year up to 7 years and plus. What does this tell us? The reality here is, as the price is increasing, long-term holders are holding. They're not selling. You can actually see we've seen a significant decline in that over 7-year trading platform, with very little actually selling through. Likewise, when you filter it through to the 1-year wallets, the same can be said for those as well. So as we see an uptick in the price of BTC over the course of the last 24 hours, we actually see a continuation of holding and in fact accumulating in these long-term wallets. You can double down on the fact that we are seeing less selling pressure, and that is decreasing as well. The cumulative net taker volume, i.e. those people exiting positions or removing their trades, is becoming less and less. So there's a lot of things coming together right now that is supportive of an uptrend in the market. If you take a look at the macro right now, BTC retesting the 382 Fibonacci just under that $90,000 price range, and actually was up about 1.5% at points well over 2%. So a good solid day in the market, and is continuing our uptrend from the bottom there at 78,000 back in March 10th. So lots of positive news going on, lots of further developments coming out of the Trump administration, and lots of key metrics that you need to be aware of that are showing people are locked in for this bull market and are holding strong, waiting for bigger opportunities. So I, for one, am ready for it. I think we've definitely got the best of the market to come. Yes, it may take some time, and yes, it may be a little bit later than most people did predict. However, in my opinion, it's still coming. People are still bullish. And when you do get days like this, for me, it shows the sentiment in the market. 2 really good days, hitting around 2% gains, which is very bullish indeed. And actually, when you take the last about 10 days, we've only had about 4 of those red. So tomorrow is another important day. We could see some crossing of those exponential moving averages to the upside, aligned to RSI and MACD, which is going to give us a further trend going into the back end of this week. So let me know what you think about it all in the comments down below as always. And thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.